Connecting Verizon Remote to TV. In today's video, we are going to learn how to connect Verizon Remote to TV. Let's get started. In the first step, to connect a Verizon Remote to your TV, you can use either the manual code entry or the on-screen automatic setup through your Fios TV menu. For manual programming, turn on both your TV and Fios box. After that, press and hold the TV button and OK button until the light blinks. When the light blinks, enter the 3-digit code for your TV brand and press the TV power button. Now, if the TV turns off, press OK to save. Alternatively, navigate through your TV box menu to Settings. In Settings, click on the option that says Voice Control. In the Voice Control drop-down menu, you will see Program Voice Remote option. Click on it and follow the on-screen instruction for automatic setup. That's how you will be able to connect Verizon Remote to your TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.